Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all viewers and listeners. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you model a helix nut with internal threads and some edge tapper in SolidWorks. So without any delay in video, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. So now let's start it. Let me open my SolidWorks and let me choose a plane. Whatever you want, you can choose the plane. This time I will make a hexagon. Here I will change the sides, make it 6, and just draw a hexagon and check OK. Here exit stitch and come to extruded boss base. Here this time I will keep it 70, the extrusion length, and just say OK. Again I will choose this face, make a sketch, make it normal, draw a circle, come to smart dimension, keep it 85 and say OK. Now come to feature, extruded cut. This time it is better to select through all and just say OK. Now again I will sketch on this surface to add some edge tapper, make it normal, draw a circle from here till here when it is going to tangent and just say OK. Now come to feature, extruded cut. This time flip side, come to draft and keep it the angle 45 degree and just say OK. See, I've added this tapper. Now to create the internal threads, for that I will come to reference geometry, I will come to curves, helix and spiral. I will choose this plane, make it normal, and I will draw a circle from here till here, exit sketch. Here you can select whatever you want. This time I will select height and pitch and make sure constant pitch. I will keep the height as much as the extrusion of this nut, and this time pitch by default I will keep it 6, or 6 is too much less, right? And I will keep it 10, right? You can reverse the direction from here. Start angle you must keep at 0 degree. You can keep it counterclockwise or counterclockwise, by the way. And tapper helix right now is not used over here. Just say OK. Come here, change the view, and this time I will create a plane to make a profile. Come to plane, select the helix that you made, and come here, select this edge and select this helix. Now when it is fully defined, just make sure check OK. OK. Now I will choose this plane, make a sketch, make it normal, and this time again I will create a triangle. So by keeping the parameters 3, and this time I will start from here and Okay, you can come to smart dimension and you can keep the pitch of the thread 2.5 this time and just say okay. Now come to feature, just make sure exact sketch, and this time I will choose sweep cut. By default, sketch the profile is already selected, just you have to select the path, which is this helix. I'll select this path. Okay, and just check okay. Now let me hide this plane. Press and hold control key, also select and hide both of them. Now come to view and just look it over here. So the bolt, the nut is done. So hopefully you like this video. Please thank for watching.